Hey, what's happening everybody? This is Royce from Pedal Metal. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 1/18 scale die-cast metal 1966 Pontiac GTO Hurst edition. This is from Maisto or Maisto, however you prefer to say it. And these are really nice, I think, for the money. And as you've seen probably in the opening shot there, I had it spinning all around. And we'll go over it here and take a look at it. This particular one features a vinyl interior, pretty much matches the exterior. And we have, of course, the obligatory Hurst shifter and knob, white knob in there, wood steering wheel, and the rally gauge pack. And I don't think this is supposed to be a convertible. I know it looks like it the way it's put together here, but it appears to be a hard top with the Landau roof, like the vinyl roof is glued on. And this has the Hurst rally wheels, and I think the tailpipes, I'm not sure if that was also a Hurst, part of the Hurst package or not. And of course we have the Hurst emblem. These are just really nice, I think, for the money. This was for, like, say $20, that's US. I mean, you really can't go wrong with these. From what I was reading online, I'm not sure how correct the information is, but this hood scoop was non-functional. Now, there was some dealer installed mods to make them functional in some of the cars, but apparently they're pretty rare to find. And then the motor, from what I was reading, is 389 cubic inches tri-power, meaning it has 3 carburetors. And the horsepower is like 360 horsepower. And with the tri-powers, actually the torque was a little bit less, I believe, than the dual carbs. The torque was 425 foot-pounds of torque. These cars came with a 411 limited slip differential, and the base price on them was, I believe, like $3,643 US at the time. I think these are really nice though for the money. I mean, you really can't go wrong. And don't be hating on the gloves. I know I have the gloves on this time, but I do not own this car. This is not mine, so I really don't want to get finger oils all over it. But you got the Pontiac light blue colored motor in there, which of course carried through the whole way up until I believe the 80s. It needs a little bit of detailing, I think. You could use a little bit more, I think, under the hood, but they're not bad. You got the wood grain steering wheel, and I believe they called that the rally gauge cluster pack or something like that. The interior appears to be a vinyl, also like a turquoise color. I apologize, I do not know the GM's paint codes for what this car was. I'm sure there's one of you guys out there probably know and will be writing and screaming at me about it, but I have no idea. It's more of a greenish blue. It's very turquoise, the only description I can think of off the top of my head right now. But not much going on in the trunk. Everything's vinyl covered. But these are really nice. I mean, there's a lot to look at, I think, in the interior for the money. You really can't go wrong with these Maistos for the price. I know at BJ's Wholesale Club, I believe they still sell them there, and you can get them for well under $20. That's when I've started getting into collecting 1/18 scale die-cast models like 25 years ago. That's what started out with was Maisto, and we always pronounced it Maisto, but I believe it is pronounced Maisto. Maisto and Baragos. Really nice, I think, for the money. The paint job was really, really well done on this. Not a lot of orange peel, is a little bit there, but for a cheapy die-cast vehicle, you cannot go wrong with these. So I highly recommend them. I think I might have a convertible one like this on the channel somewhere, review. If I find it, I will try to put a link there with it. So there you go. That is the Maisto's 1966 Pontiac GTO Hurst edition. And oh, I forgot to add, I believe that 0-60 was like 6.5 seconds on the car and like 14.5 seconds quarter mile, which was pretty impressive at the time. So there you go. Thanks for checking it out. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. All right, bye now.